always been number one. We always double check our bikes, pre-check bikes, the oil, the tire pressure, helmet, riding gear, the proper gear, wear your gloves, and don't ever forget your rain gear. And do a prayer, every time we ride.
The most common thing that we hear out of people that hit a motorcycle is, I didn't see him, where'd you come from? You have to be aware of your surroundings.
When I have a passenger on my bike, I make sure that they could just be still, leave their foot on the passenger floorboards at all times. And if they have to stop, just, give me a tap on the shoulder and I'll stop.
When I'm out there riding, I've learned several things. Like you walk up behind somebody in a car, you make sure that he sees you in his side mirror. Make sure that you're always looking through your rear view mirror.
For safety purposes, the steps that I take when I go on the motorcycle, I usually try to inspect the bike. Tires, chain, belt, and just keep an eye all over. All the mirrors, look over your shoulder, try to keep distance. So I'm looking at probably 3 cars ahead, brake lights when I'm riding, just to see what they're gonna do. I'm anticipating certain things right on the outside of the lane, not in the middle. So if I do have to maneuver, I can get over or get out the way.
I wear my helmet, and I've seen people that didn't wear a helmet and they didn't live. We don't need any more accidents, fatalities, nobody. Everybody's job is to come home safe. That's what we need.